Good day, viewers. Yeah, welcome back to our mathematics class. Today, we are going to be talking about simultaneous linear and quadratic equations. Just before we dive into this topic properly, if you are a new member on this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for my subsequent content. Now, let's proceed. If you could recall from our previous topic, we make use of the elimination method in simultaneous equation. But in this particular topic, we are going to be making use of substitution method. Example 1. Solve the equations 3x plus 4y is equals to 11, sy is equals to 2. When we have an equation this way, 3x plus 4y is equals to 11, then let's call this equation 1. Then xy is equals to 2, equation 2. From here, we are going to make x or y the subject of the formula. But considering equation 2, this one is very easy. Let's say x to be equals to 2 over y. Let's see, we divide both sides by y. In order to make x the subject of the formula, we call this equation 3. Now, I can substitute the value of x into equation 1. So we have 3x plus 4y is equals to 11. Whenever I see x, I put 2 over y. So I have 3 open brackets, 2 divided by y plus 4y is equals to 11. So 3 times 2, we have 6 divided by y plus 4y is equals to 11. From here, let me see over 1. Over 1. The SCM here is 2. Let me multiply 2 by this y. Y multiplied by 6 over y plus y multiplied by 4y over 1 is equals to y multiplied by 11 over 1. So y cancel y. I'm going to have 6 here. So 6 plus y multiplied by 4y, I have 4y squared is equals to 11y. If you look at this y has a power of 2. Meaning it's a quadratic equation. We can rearrange 4y squared, take this 11y in, minus 11y, then plus 6. So if taking this one in, it's going to be equals to 0. So this is actually a quadratic equation that we've dealt with from our previous lessons. Now, you are going to multiply this 6 with this coefficient 4. 6 times 4. So we have 24. Plus times plus, we have plus. So what are the two numbers that we can multiply together to get 24? Then when we add or you subtract, you are going to get 11 here. So let's say we have 8 and 3. And the signs there we have minus minus. So when we have minus 8 multiplied by minus 3, then minus 8 minus 3. Minus times minus, we have plus. 8 times 3, we have 24. So we have plus 24. So minus 8, I'm holding the first person 8 naira. Owing another person 3 naira. How much am I holding them to be? That's 11 naira. So minus 11. So I'm going to eliminate minus 11y. I will put minus 8 and minus 3. So I have 4y squared minus 8y minus 3y plus 6 is equals to 0. So put this in brackets. What is common in this? We have 4 and y. Open brackets. When you remove 4, we have y minus 2. What is common? We have minus 3. Bracket y minus 2 is equals to 0. So we take the one outside together. 4y minus 3 is a take 1. Y minus 2 is equals to 0. So 4y minus 3 is equals to 0, or y minus 2 is equals to 0. So here 4y is equals to 3. When you take this one out, divide both sides by 4, we have y is equals to 3 over 4. Or take this one here, we have y is equals to 2. So our y is equals to 3 over 4 or 2. So we've gotten the value of y. We can also get the value of x from this equation 3 by substituting the two values of y into this equation 3. Now, going back to this equation 3, x is equals to 2 over y. So when y is equals to 3 over 4, then what is going to be the value of x? X will be equals to 2 divided by y. So this y is 3 over 4. 3 over 4. So we have 2 divided by 3 over 4. That is 2 multiplied by 4 over 3, which gives what? 8 over 3. That is the value of x, the first x. Also, when your y, when y is equals to 2, s will equals to 2 divided by y is 2. 2 goes here 1, 2 goes here 1. S equals to 1. Therefore, when x is 8 over 3, your y is 3 over 4. Likewise, when your x is 1, your y is 2. So, example 2. Solve the equations 3x minus y is equals to 3, 9x squared minus y squared is equals to 45. We have 3x minus 4y is equals to 3, and we have 9x squared minus y squared is equals to 45. Definitely we can do this as equation 1 and equation 2. When we look at this second equation here, this is equation 1 actually. This is equation 2. But when you look at this equation 2, 9x squared minus y squared is like difference of two squares. This can be expressed as open brackets 3x minus y, then 3x plus y is equals to 45. Now, when we look at this, 3x minus y, and this equation 1 is 3x minus y. So anywhere I see 3x minus y, I can put these two. So here, let me put 3 bracket 3x plus y is equals to 45. Let me open the bracket. 3 times 3s, 9x plus 3y is equals to 45. Now, let me call this my equation 3. Now, my equation 1 and 3 can now be combined together to get the value of x and y. So I have 3x minus y is equals to 3. That is my equation 1. 9x plus 3y is equals to 45. That's equation 2. From here, I can get the value of my y easily, according to what we learned in our previous class, using the elimination method. So I can make this to have a coefficient of 3. So let me multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 1. Now I have 3 times 3x, 9x minus 3 times y, 3y is equals to 3 times 3, 9. 1 times 9x, 9x plus 1 times 3y, 3y is equals to 45. So here, this cancel this. 9x plus 9x, I have 18x is equals to 45 plus 9, I have 54. So now I have to divide both sides by 18. 18x divided by 18 is equals to 54 divided by 18. 18 cancel 18, x is equals to 3. Now I can also calculate the value of y by substituting value of s into equation, any of this equation. I can equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. Let me use equation 1. 3x minus y is equals to 3. So I have 3 multiplied by 3 minus y equals to 3. 3 times 3, I have 9 minus y is equals to 3. Take this one here. So I'm going to have minus y is equals to 3 minus 9. So when this plus 9 crosses into minus 9, minus y is equals to 3 minus 9, I have minus 6. Minus goes in minus, my y is equals to 6. Therefore, when your x is 3, my y is, when your s is 3, my y is 6. Example 3. Solve the equations 3x plus y. 3x plus y is equals to 10, equation 1. Then 2x squared plus y squared is equals to 19, equation 2. Now from this equation 1, we can get x or y. But I think y is the easiest one. So y is equals to 10, this one we move here, minus 3x, equation 3. So I'm able to get my equation 3. I can now substitute the value of y into my equation 2. So substitute the value of y into equation 2. My equation 2 is 2x squared plus y squared is equals to 19. So I have 2x squared plus my y is 10 minus 3x squared is equals to 19. So from here, I have to expand this twice. 10 minus 3x multiplied by 10 minus 3x. So this 10 times 10 we have 100. 10 multiplied by minus 3s minus 30x minus 3s times 10 minus 30x minus times minus we have plus 3s times 3s we have 9x squared. From here I have 100 minus 30x minus 30x we have minus 60x plus 9x squared. Now I can now put this here now. So I have 2x squared plus 100 minus 60x plus 9x squared then equals to 19. So I've replaced this one with this. Now let me now rearrange. 2x squared plus 9x minus 60x plus 100 less 19 comes in minus 19 is equals to 0. So 2x squared plus 9x squared, this half is squared. We have 11x squared minus 60x. So plus 100 minus 19. So I'm going to have plus 81 is equals to 0. And this has become a quadratic equation in which we're going to factorize it. 81 multiplied by 11, then you look for two factors, and when you multiply together, you get that particular number, and when you add or subtract, you get 60. 81 plus 11, we have 891. Plus times plus, we have plus. So when you look for the two numbers, we're going to have 27 and 33. Now when you multiply together, you're going to get 891. When you add them together, you're going to get 60. Let's put minus and minus. So we are going to have 11x squared with 11x plus, let me write this plus minus 33x first, then minus 27x, then followed by plus 81. Plus 81 is equal to 0. Now we group. What is common in both? We have 11x, open bracket, this will remain x minus 3, minus 27 bracket x minus 3 is equal to 0. So we have 11x minus 27 in bracket x minus 3 is equal to 0. So 11x minus 27 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. From here, you take this minus 27 out. So 11x equals to 27. If I go start by the 11, we have value by 11. 11 goes in the 11. So x equals to 27 over 11. So which can be, also this x will equals to what? 3. So when x is 27 over 11, the other x equals to 27 over 11 or 3. So we can now substitute the value of this x into equation 3. Let's substitute the value of s into equation 3. This is our equation 3. So when my x equals to 27 over 11, then y will equals to 10 minus 3 times 27 divided by 11. So we have 10 minus, so 3 multiplied by 27, we have 2 here. We have 81 divided by 11. So let's find the s here. 11. 1 goes in 11, we have 11. 11 times 10, we have 110. Minus 11 goes in 11, we have 1. 1 times 81, we have 81. So finally, we have 29 over 11. Fine. Also, when my x is equals to 3, then my y will equals to 10 minus 3 times 3. So we have 10 minus 9, which is equals to what? 1. Therefore, when my x, the first x is 27 over 11, my y is 29 over 11. Also, when my x is 3, my y is 1. In order to benefit more on this channel, kindly subscribe and click the notification bell, and do not forget to share, like, and comment for other learners to benefit immensely on this channel. Thank you. I will see you in the next topic.